Oh my gosh, guys, I've only gone and done it. I officially have a camera. Okay guys, this is going to be a really quick video. I'm just going to do an unboxing of the camera. I'm going to explain everything to you. I'm going to show you what I know about the camera so far because I am a beginner. I have not had a professional camera before, maybe like once back in the early 2000s. I don't even know how to call that. Maybe around 2016, 17. I'm going to open this box right now and you are going to find out what this camera looks like. I am dying. I've been wanting this for a very long time. So me and Babe decided, you know what, let's just do it. And it's here. It's here, guys. I've been wanting a camera forever. I've been wanting to do this unboxing video for ages, but I had to get some other videos out of the way so I can finally do this one. Show you what it looks like. Are y'all ready? So I got the ZV-E10 from Sony. Apparently this is like the best camera for vlogging content creators. Because I have this YouTube channel going on, my partner's a really good dancer on TikTok and Instagram. He's like blowing up. We thought we'll come together and we'll just get a camera and see how it goes. This is going to be officially our first professional camera and we're really excited. We want to see the quality, the things we can do with it. Oh my gosh, I need to get a memory card. That's what I need to get. So this is how it comes. Just have that bit there. This is what it looks like, but mine's different, y'all. I'm gonna show you. I'm so excited. I decided to move my camera lower down just so you can see a little bit better right now. It comes with a converter plug, a strap, a camera strap. It's gonna say Sony on there. Love that. Another plug. And obviously it comes with the charging cable. And then we have the battery. It's a really tiny battery, very lightweight. Because I've seen some camera batteries and a lot of them are really chunky, but again, it's going to depend on the camera that you have. You've got to slot it in and it just weighs the whole camera down. But this is very light. I'm loving that already. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's go. Ciao! I'm loving it. Guys, look at this camera. This is amazing. It comes with the lens. And it's all white. That is just beautiful. First, let's have a look at how this camera opens up. Okay, that wasn't so bad. It had a nice click. Look at that. So it comes with a large screen right there, and you can also rotate it. If you're filming other things outside of yourself, then you can look at the screen. But if you're doing selfies, you can also see yourself. This will be great for vlogging because I'll be able to just pop the camera down and actually see what I'm doing. Right now I'm using my iPhone 13 and it is in 4K mode, so the quality is a little bit better. I always prefer the back camera, but because I can't see what's happening, I'm not sure if I'm like moving out of focus, whereas right now I can see myself. And so when I'm looking at myself on the camera, I know that I'm like in the middle, or if like my head's been chopped off or something. So with this, it's going to be great. It's going to give me quality. It's very light, it's small and compact, so I can just put it in my bag and go. Like, this is tiny, girls. Look, my hand is bigger than this camera. I'll be able to travel with it. The bonus for me is definitely this flipping screen right here. Moving on. I'm just gonna have a look, see how the battery fits right in. So you just pop that open, you slide this on in there. Close, and I'm hoping this has charge, otherwise I'm gonna have to charge it for a while, so we're about to find out. There's an on and off right here, can you see that? So yeah, I'm just gonna pop that on. So I think I'm gonna have to charge this for a while and then I'll be able to get back to you guys. I'm gonna be right there. As you can see, the camera works perfectly. I'm actually loving this thing. And yes, I just can't wait to use it to create some content now. So wait, let me turn it the other way so you can see what it looks like. This is how it looks front camera. So the lens is here, but the screen that I'm looking at is over there. I can occasionally just, you know, look over to see if I'm in the center or in the correct position that I want to be in. But yes, I'm loving this camera. The quality is impeccable. I'm so sorry my lips are dry, but this is reality, okay? Sony ZV-E10, perfect for beginners, and I would absolutely recommend this. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your comment below because I do like to hear from you guys. For now, bits are coming. Stay tuned on this channel for some exciting updates. Bye, guys.